Here we come to the freight elevator at the Biological Science and Technology, I think that's what it is, at University of Texas at San Antonio, in San Antonio, Texas. It's a ThyssenKrupp traditional. Indicator doesn't work. It's got Peely doors. G. It's locked. Roof. 4. Well, we can't go anywhere on these. See if that'll work. Oh, you have to close the door first in order to get it to work. It's traction too. Here we are, G. R is locked. Here we're at 4. On the 1, there. Just your basic ThyssenKrupp freight elevator, your fixtures. My camera lost the focus for some reason. Here we're at 1. Oh, you don't have to hold it. There it goes, and that's it.